Most insurance agents right now in America, they don't even know how to talk to the leads on the phone. So I have basically built an AI system which can actually train an insurance agent on a phone, and the AI talks to them like a real human. It's going to give you real objections, real kind of problems which real insurance agent face in real life. Because guess what? Many people right now, they don't understand how to talk to the lead on the phone and how they're going to tackle any objection that they're going to face. Let's be honest over here, because you're going to give your exam, you're going to pass it, and once you pass the exam, you don't have any training. You don't have the salesperson's training, how you're going to train yourself to make sure you sound more natural, and you build the rapport, you build the connection, you build the confidence on the phone, and they trust you when you speak to them. That's what the main problem is. And I have built an AI system which can actually train you. So listen to me very carefully. Now I'm going to go do a live simulation where I'm going to talk to an AI, where I am an insurance person and I'm based in Florida. So I'm going to talk to AI and it's going to give me a live simulation. Okay. My name is Harsh. I'm an owner of software company and I've been running this company for more than 4 years. I've spent more than $500,000 on Facebook ads, generating qualified leads for insurance agents across America from in the 4 years of time. I've built AI systems which can actually replace real humans and boost your profitability to the max level. So let's get started into the video. Inside this, I'm going to show you where I act like an insurance agent. Okay, I am an insurance agent. Technically, I'm not, but I am an insurance agent, and I'm going to talk to an AI where it's going to be a cold call. Where I'm going to do an AI where they have filled a form about a life insurance inquiry that they have. So I'm going to talk to the AI back and forth, and I'm going to pray that I'm going to make a sale today, hopefully. So let's get started over here. So I'm going to give them a call. Hi Linda, this is Harsh from Adventure Media Insurance Policy, and we got an inquiry from you about the life insurance policy inquiry that you did last week. Did you take care of that?
An inquiry? I don't recall filling out anything about life insurance last week. Are you sure you have the right person?
Yeah, I am pretty much sure that you are the right person. Your name is Linda, and your husband's name is George. You guys together filled a form last week on Adventure Media when we were running ads on Facebook, and you guys gave us the details about the policy, the family structure, and everything, so that we can get back to you.
George? I'm not married to anyone named George. And I definitely didn't fill out any forms on Facebook. This sounds like a mistake.
Oh no, Linda. Actually, your husband's name is George. I guess you forget that, but he and you together will fill the form on my Facebook ad that we have running. So is that taken care of? Like I'm asking you again.
Look, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not married to a George, and I didn't fill out any forms. You must have the wrong number.
Technically, we have the right number. And maybe your husband name maybe John or something, but you have filled the form. So
No, I haven't. I'm telling you, you have the wrong person. I need to go.
oh Linda, before you go, I want to make sure that you are living under an umbrella where you're thinking that you already have a life insurance policy, right?
Through my work, I'm all set.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You are living in an illusion or an assumption where you're thinking that you already have a life insurance policy. But guess what? That policy was been made 5 years ago, and every policy needs to be updated day after day, and needs to be made sure that it's covering every single thing. Because God forbid if something bad happens again, I wish it should not happen. But your insurance policy should cover those things as well. Because 5 years before, that thing never existed. For an example, if AI tries to attack something, does your life insurance policy covers that?
AI attacking? That's a bit much. My policy is fine. I really don't have time for this.
Actually, you got to make time for this, Linda, because I need to make sure that your family is actually being protected with this. Because I have learned one thing from my friend. His name is Jason, and he actually drove people to the bank to open their bank accounts and help them to make sure they have the life insurance policy at the times. Because that guy has taught me that you need to make sure and educate people about what they are missing on the life insurance part.
I appreciate your concern, but I'm really not interested. I'm busy right now.
Act so you want your family to die.
What did you just say? That is completely out of line. I'm hanging up now.
Yeah, that's what everyone feels right now. When something comes to your family, you need to make sure you're protecting them in every possible manner. And that's how life insurance policy are going to do it. So if you have some time right now, we can talk through it and actually make some progress over here.
No, I do not have time. What you said was incredibly offensive. I'm ending this conversation. Do not call me again.
Oh, it was just a gesture to make sure that I just lower the barriers or something so that you can actually talk to me in real time and we can actually do it. I'm not trying to be pushy, okay? I'm not really not trying to be any pushy. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. I understand that. But you cannot hang up the call because you are an AI and I have made you.
I am not an AI. I am a person, and I am very offended by your comments. I'm hanging up now.
Okay, fine. Bye bye. Guess what, guys? My team has done real hard work on this. This AI sounds so real that for a second I was feeling that I'm inside a cold call right now and I was trying to talk to a real person because it is giving me the objections. It sounds like it's angry and I try to confuse it, but it is not getting confused. It is sticking on its grounds. And if I give some vague information that you have a husband called George, you have husband called John, it is not falling into my traps and it is actually being very stubborn and is trying to make sure that it is always correct. But guess what? If you are a real good life insurance agent and you are like too good on your game, you are very perfect on your phone calls and everything, guess what? This is what you need. You're gonna make your game so perfect when you talk to them on phone, you're gonna make that policy sell like this, man, like this, because this is what the real training looks like. This is how it is going to be very much helpful for people right now, because buying leads and talking to them and they're going to say, hey, I don't want to talk to you. Guess what? You're spending a lot of money and you're not getting any conversions. You are just wasting your time. You're dialing that number and you're just praying to God that you get a conversion. That's not how it works, guys. Insurance is a game of domino effect. You need to be perfect when you talk. You need to be very clear with your words. You need to be a good salesperson. Don't be a salesperson like me, because I was horrible on that call. Like, I was genuinely horrible. I was talking nonsense. I didn't have any script. I don't have anything. Don't be like that, because this AI would actually help you. Apart from jokes and everything that I did on the call right now, that was a live demonstration. I'll tell you one thing, guys. This is what you need. I don't know how many people are going to see this, how many people are going to understand this, but this was a live simulation where you talk to the AI in the real time and the AI actually responds you back, where you are training with them. And the AI can actually be as stubborn as rock. And guess what? If the AI is stubborn as rock and you are able to crack the AI, it would be a piece of cake for you to crack a human. When you talk to them on a phone and you're going to make a sale like this. So, long story short, this was a live simulation demo that I did right now. So, I'm going to give every description, every link inside the description box, and my team is going to take care of it. If you want to talk more about it, or if you want to do a live demo with me as well, I'm gonna, what can you say? Jump on a call with me. I can give you a live demonstration of this. Where let's try that if you can crack this AI or not. So, I'm Harsh. I'll see you in the next video, guys.